Hang on here. Here. You keep warm.
Are those money?
Huh?
Are those money?
Is that money?
No.
What is it?
Something, isn't it?
Smart boy. Here, give it to Daddy, and you keep opening your... What else is in there?
I know. Look what's in here. Let's open it.
Vitamins.
No, you check what else is in here. Daddy will open this, okay?
Mommy, Santa got a ball for me.
All right. Okay, open up the rest. What else is in there?
Wow.
More candy.
More candy.
What else?
More.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You're so lucky.
Andrew, do you think Santa left any presents here? Where would the presents go?
Oh no.
Where does he put presents? Where do we put presents to open?
Upstairs the tree.
Should we go look and see if there's any presents there for Andrew? Do you think he brought you any? Let's go, Jenny.
No, I getting something else. What's those, Dad? What's this? Chocolate!
Uh-oh.
There's chocolate.
You don't like chocolate, do you?
Yep, I do.
Obviously.
Right in. Okay. Can Daddy help? Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Another one.
Another what?
It's a Christmas tree.
It is.
Quite enjoying that chocolate. Watch, this is the way Daddy used to do it. Ready?
Woo!
There's more candy.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go check for presents.
Okay.
Let's go.